Welcome back to Initial Speed. In a bit of a rush, Omar and I planned something, and well, anyway, I won't get into those details. We've got to get out of here and get down to see something pretty special. And we're taking her. Alright, so we made it safely. Old Faithful made it. Omar, of course, made it. They've blocked off roads, so I had to come up another road, and I just happened to bump into Omar. Alright, well, let's go check this out and see what this is all about. This is not in the Porsche dealership parking lot. That road has been blocked off. But yeah, Omar was just saying that the Porsche community, or at least the car community, is pretty live. Nice. There you go, Chris. Hey, now we're talking. Although I still prefer the first gen. Hold on, I gotta catch this. If I could, this would be what I'd get. But that's my taste. I love the nod to the Porsche Carrera GT, Porsche GT, with the shift knob, the wood ball. Now this is a funky color.
Ultraviolet.
Yeah.
You know, it's
in person it looks so much different compared to like TJ's and stuff.
Like when you see it on YouTube or like on TV.
Yeah.
It doesn't look half as good as it does in person. Oh yeah?
Yeah. I like the side pocket vent.
Yeah.
That's pretty serious. This is iconic because this was the color it was released in, wasn't it?
I have no idea. But it's nice.
Very nice.
I wish I could tell, like, you know, the 991, 992s.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not there. And I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I'm definitely not there.
Wow, I like this pastel looking color. So I think this is ice cream.
No, this
is the Miami. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
This is Miami.
And what we have is ice cream. Yeah. So here was the inspiration for the color choice on the Beetle. This is what I wanted, but as you know, it's not my car. So we went with what the woman wanted.
I was gonna say that's ice cream, but it's a
that's
lighter
a darker
color.
That's a
darker color. What's on your car is lighter. That's nice.
Yeah.
What's crazy about the BBS's the holes in the spokes, they like save weight as much weight as possible.
The lip on the spoiler.
Yeah. That's why these things cost so much money.
It's all the details, man. All the details.
Wait. There's 3 holes per spoke. It's nice.
Crazy. Carbon everything. We're going inside. wide, but they are wide. And of course, there's a second. And then a third. This is more my style. With that little ducktail spoiler. That's what I like. And the gold against the black. Copper against the black. Black headlights. Projectors. Loving the color. This looks like my RC car at home. Same choice. Not too bad yourself? Yeah, good. Didn't expect to see you here, but I should have. Gonna have to bother you for some more goodies. Yeah, sure. You're gonna get me in trouble. RS6.
Yeah.
Monster.
You know what's really nice? The RS5. This thing, like, it kind of is like
RSQ.
low key.
That's the Lamborghini. Yeah. And that's the thing I like about...
You know what's crazy? That you have to say that it's a Lamborghini. Why?
Because it elevates it.
Exactly.
But in all fairness... hold on. But in all
you
fairness...
have to be like, oh, hey.
But in all fairness...
Now you're trying to like freaking give me a purple note?
No. But in all fairness, whenever I see the Lamborghini, I go, there's the Audi.
Like I said, man, good thing you remember.
Yeah.
Porsches, I mean, those are driver's cars, right?
Yep.
So it's like everybody... I don't know anyone that really hates on a Porsche.
Well, there we are. I'm going slowly and it feels just like all Porsche 911s, which means it feels just like a Volkswagen Beetle. Air-cooled engine, in the wrong place, plastic dashboard, knobs like boiled sweets.
Like everybody has like a soft spot for a Porsche.
I was never a big Porsche person until I had the Jetta. And then I was like, okay, well, I'm staying here, like the first Jetta.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, I bought all these tools. I guess I'm staying in this world. And I was like, okay, so this is the natural progression. You get the Audi, then you get the Porsche.
Yeah. So
and
is
then
that the plan?
Get an R8.
We'll make our way up to where
street?
that Supra is, and then we'll go inside.
Okay.
have to drop in.
Yeah.
See how the carbon comes up higher than the seat?
Yep,
That's what I was
still,
talking
because
about.
it's got a carbon monochrome, most likely. Yeah, this is what she wanted to get, but she didn't know, and obviously didn't end up getting it.
It's because like he's like all suited up. That's probably
Yeah. Some guys were talking about Haggerty. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah, I heard
But
it.
I didn't hear the whole thing. I just heard Haggerty.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
like,
yeah,
huh?
yeah,
What?
He's like, yo, Haggerty, this. I'm a part of the crew. I'm part of the crew too, guys.
Jag F-Type. I think this is the first time these two are together.
You know what's so funny?
What's that?
After like going to those shows, I go in my car and I'm like, man, look how shit. I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do that.
Well, it's motivation.